No. So trying to continue with sound. Unless I send, okay, the sound will hover in atmosphere. It cannot dissipate into the space. So now what I like to dwell on is the importance of sound. We know that the world as we know now started with a sound. It's called the Big Bang. Okay. So there is, okay, it is said that, and I have heard a song in Malayalam. Okay. So there's how the world came into existence. ആദിയിൽ വചനമുണ്ടാകും ആ വചനം രൂപമായി. It first came sound, and later it was converted into physical energy. Sound energy converted into physical energy. All the physicality we see around us came from sound, or sound was converted into physicality. This is what we learn in quantum physics and quantum mechanics and all. So what I should like to say that there is a greater treatment method called musical therapy. We can use to treat so many illnesses, grave illnesses also, by making use of the sound. This most of us have experienced when we listen to certain soothing music, all our worries, disturbance and anxiety, everything slowly dissipates. Okay, that is the greatness of sound. So we listen to Yeshudas, his song, and greater Muhammad Rafi sound. When we listen to their music, that sound, and what happens, great many things happening. You listen to music. I hope there's conducted an experiment subjecting you to the person with the high BP to a soothing slow music. And after listening to music, I just checked the BP, it was normal. I'm telling the truth. So this music has got such a, this sound has got such a meaning. So that's why in a different religions we have the chantings and the mantras and all. Okay. So we used to say, Om Namah Shivaya. So also in Sri Lanka also. Repeatedly say, closing your eyes, sit still, you will see, oh, your burden, tension coming down. So it has a greater effect. But when we shout, going at jazz, gaze like that, sound, music, what will happen? That also has the pressure increasing. Jazz music, okay, and such music with greater sound. Okay, I have a famous director's music, Vande Mataram. So this is very, very useless in the sense that you listen to that music, your pressure will become high. But smooth mix, okay, smooth music we listen to, our pressure will go down. So this is for your information. I hope you will agree with me. Bye.